5 more minutes. Wait, what day is it?
It's June 18th! It's my birthday! Oh no! Calm down, Vanessa. Today is going to be perfect.
Good morning, my beautiful birthday girl.
Happy 10th birthday, Vanessa.
Wait, don't move.
Why?
Close your eyes first.
Already? It's only morning.
Trust your little brother.
You decorated the whole house?
We woke up early just for you.
I blew up 10 balloons. Well, Dad helped with 8.
Correction, I helped with 9.
Vanessa, how do you feel today?
I feel excited, grateful, and very happy. Mom, are my friends coming at 4 p.m.?
Sweetheart, about that.
There's a storm warning for this afternoon.
Storm? Like boom boom thunder?
Yes, heavy rain and strong winds.
Does that mean no party?
Some parents messaged me. They're not sure if they can drive in the storm.
I spent weeks planning this. I can invite my teddy bear.
Listen carefully. A birthday is not about the number of guests. It's about the people who love you.
That's loud!
Why today?
Sometimes life doesn't follow our plans, but that doesn't mean it can't still be beautiful.
Okay, team, emergency birthday plan activated.
What's that?
Operation Best Indoor Birthday Ever.
Vanessa, measure 2 cups of flour.
Okay, Mommy. 1, 2.
Well, now we all look like bakers.
This is actually fun.
See, happiness can be created.
Repeat after me. Disappointed.
Disappointed.
Unexpected.
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 Let's play a birthday memory game. Tell us your favorite memory from this year.
When Vanessa helped me with my homework.
Really?
Yes, you didn't get angry. I remember when you told me you want to be brave like Mom.
Mom.
I remember your first school speech. You were nervous, but you did it anyway.
Uh-oh. Great. Now no party and no electricity.
Or maybe candlelight party.
What?
sometimes darkness makes moments brighter.
I'll get the door.
Happy birthday! You came?
The storm slowed down. We didn't want to miss your special day.
Now start party. Make a wish.
I wish I always remembered that love is more important than plans.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear friends.
Best birthday ever?
Best birthday ever.
So, what did we learn today?
That happiness doesn't depend on perfect weather. It depends on the people around you.
That's my girl.
Sometimes life changes our plans. But the most important celebrations are not about decorations, gifts, or sunshine. They're about love, patience, and being together.